So yes, now the last part of our worked example 2 would be now to say, state the model class. Okay, remember that's the second part of the question. State the model class. So anyway, for us to know the model class, we just look at the one with the highest frequency density, and it is obviously this one. You can see our highest frequency density is 3, which means the highest height is 3, and we can be able to see that it is 51 to 60. So we can come and take this one, and that'll be our model class. So we can then say model class would be is 51 to 60. That is the model class. Okay, why didn't I take it as 50.5 or whatever when we are writing it with our dash? Remember that 51 to 60, when we actually want to know the boundaries, there'll be 50.5 and 60.5. So when we're writing it as a class, we can just go back to the original table and take it as 51 to 60. That's it, and you will be done.